Welcome to EVERLEE, Hoover's newest walkable resort town currently being developed. EVERLEE is a new construction community located conveniently in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. This master plan community by Signature Homes is composed of 833 acres, and the community will provide over 2,300 new homes. 200 acres is being reserved for community green spaces, parks, and a trail system. This will be a diverse, multi-generational residential community by offering home styles for every stage of life. Whether you're looking for an adorable attached cottage, a spacious single-family home, or a 55 and older community, EVERLEE will have a space that fits your lifestyle. The unique multi-generational concept thoughtfully connects differing phases of life, so you will find home plans and pricing for first-time homebuyers, as well as home plans to fit growing families and empty nesters. These new construction homes will start in the low 300s, and this new community and walkable town offers amenities including zero-entry resort-style pools, pickleball courts, a putting green, cornhole games, game rooms, pet washing stations, indoor lounging and social clubhouses, outdoor grilling and dining areas, indoor and outdoor fitness areas, green spaces, flex spaces for meetings or social events, and local establishments within the town square. If you want to know more about EVERLEE, please reach out to Southern State Realty Partners today.